jAlbum review. So hello everyone, so today's video I'll be doing a review right here for jAlbum. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below and where you can get special discounts right here for jAlbum. So according to Trustpilot right here, jAlbum has a 4.7 star rating out of 5 stars, and then it has 5,809 reviews right here. So for the review summary, reviewers overwhelmingly had a great experience with this company. Customers appreciate the platform for its user-friendly interface and the high-quality output it delivers. People find it easy to create and manage web albums, highlighting the intuitive design and the variety of customization options available. Consumers also value the software's stability and efficiency, noting that it consistently meets their needs over the years. The positive user experience extends to various aspects of the platform, including the website, product, service, and app. Reviewers also commend the company's support system, emphasizing the quick and helpful responses they receive when encountering issues. Many users have been long-time customers, expressing their satisfaction with the continuous improvements and updates that keep the software relevant and up-to-date. So yeah, moving on, so we have the pricing right here. So again, if you click on the link in the description below, you can get special discounts right here in jAlbum. So for the license plus storage, jAlbum has 3 plans right here. So you have the premium, the power, and the super account. So for the premium, it costs around $2.99 a month. The power is $7.99 a month, and the super account is $15.90 a month. So for the storage, so for the premium, you'll get 10 gigabytes, the power, you'll get 100 gigabytes, and the super, you'll get 300. And then for the licenses included, for the premium, you'll get a standard, and for the power and super, you'll get pro licenses. For the number of computers, all of them you'll get unlimited. For the support, all of it is priority. And then for the publish anywhere, you can publish it anywhere with all these 3 plans. And then for the power and support, you can use it for commercial use and for shopping cart. Next, if you want the license only, you can have a free one right here so you can own your site. And the standard one costs $49. And then for the pro one, it's $99. And then the validity is forever for all of these 3 ones. Free updates. The free one doesn't have any updates. The standard and pro have 12 months. The number of computers is unlimited for all of them. For the support, only the standard and pro have priority support. You can also publish it anywhere. The gallery size, for the free one, you'll get a max of 24 objects, while for the standard and pro, you'll get no limit. The customization options, so for the free, you'll get skin and style, and then for the remaining, you'll get unrestricted. For commercial use, it's only available for the pro one, and the shopping cart is also available for the pro one. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, so again, if you want to get special discounts right here for jAlbum, make sure to click on the link in the description below. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the review for jAlbum. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.